I'm reviewing every side hustle and making easy money online. This is a hope trap.
It's a trap!
That so many out there are using to get you to buy their course. Let me walk you through some easy money online traps. Affiliate marketing, it's easy to make the links. It's difficult to make people click the links and then buy the product. Dropshipping, it is easy to make a website and have it be purchasable. It is difficult to get people to that website and purchase things. This is the part that they're leaving out. That difficult part of giving enough people to your website, to your product, on a consistent basis. Not just once, not just twice, but month over month, to buy the stuff, to click your links and buy the things. That is the part they are not talking about. And that's the thing you need to think about before you embark on any of these courses, before you embark on any of these journeys, to think about how you're going to get a good volume of people to whatever it is. Your affiliate marketing, your drop shipping, and do you have marketing money? Do you have influence? Are you going to make TikTok videos and you're going to be consistent? If you can't do that, don't buy the course.